Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, yesterday we got to see some good upside on the chart of gold. Previously, gold was trading in a tight range around 2330 and yesterday there was a breakout. Market made a high of 2365 and right now standing around 2360 2359. After this strong up move, we can see market is in consolidation and consolidation is quite normal. And this week was full of events, and the biggest event of the week is tomorrow's NFP. And before NFP, we can expect the market to remain like this, market to remain choppy, because another reason is Independence Day. Yes, today is 4th of July. So during the US session also, we may just see some spikes and market in a range only. Okay, so let's wait and watch. So today we may not see much volume in the market. Market may remain silent. Okay. So let's look at the market sentiment first. After all, market sentiment is above all. Gold edges higher on rate cut hopes. Gold climbs on Fed rate cut hopes. Gold rose to around 2360 per ounce on Thursday, closing in on its highest levels in 4 weeks after fresh US economic data reinforced expectations for interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve. And yesterday we got to see some downside on dollar index as well. Anyways, the market sentiment is bullish for gold right now. So till NFP, okay, NFP is coming tomorrow. So till NFP, you can expect the market condition to remain the same. So there should not be a sudden breakdown or there should not be sudden selling pressure where you will see a trend reversal. No, right now no news is coming up. Okay, so as a result, the previous market sentiment will dominate the market, and it is better and safer for us to look for buy positions only, because in this market number of buyers are higher in comparison to number of sellers. But personally, I think that chances of getting a trading opportunity is very less for a day, because right now I'm in the 1 hour time frame of gold, and if I go to 15 minutes time frame of gold also, then you can see that number of trading opportunities are not very high. Okay, so let's discuss one by one then. Okay, because after all, we are traders. Okay, we are hopeful traders. Okay. So first of all, okay, let's draw FIBO here because market is trending. So while drawing FIBO, we can see that we have the first, okay, support around 2348. We have the first support 2348 from 0.266, as well as the previous small resistance will be acting as support. Right now, if there are 100 traders trading, at least 60 are on the buy side. So definitely we can expect that because of high number of buyers, okay, if market comes down also, market will take support on 2348 and market will bounce back. So once market will hit 2350 2349 area, observe the market. If you see the market is showing price action from below, hit the buy button. And if you're already holding a buy, you can be on the trade. Okay, so 2348 is our first level where you can look for a buy, and you can see from the same FIBO we have the second level around 2337. FIBO 38.2% retracement level. The previous resistance is also acting as support. You can see the previous resistance. Along with that, we also have dynamic supports around this area. So on the chart of gold, 2337, 2338, this particular level is the best support where we have the strongest buyers present. But the problem is that chances of market coming to 2337 area is very less, because right now market doesn't have much volume. As a result, okay, we need to focus on this particular portion of the market only. 2348 and 2337, these are the levels, and 2337 seems to be the best support on the chart of gold right now. And we also have a support on 2320, but let's not waste time. Chances of market coming to this level are almost negligible. And if we change our FIBO, okay, if we change our FIBO, then we can see that we also have another support around 2342. See, we have changed our FIBO starting point here. So these are the two levels, okay, where we need to keep our eyes as a day trader. 2342, 23448. Yeah. Okay, so if market comes for retracement, we can definitely look for a buy position. And you can see that we have two zones in the market. Earlier also we have discussed about these two levels around 2367, 2370, and here 2387, 2390. These are the two resistances where we can look for a sell position. But the problem is that try to listen, okay, try to understand the concept here. See, already market has shown retracement from 2364 area. So if market goes up from here, let's assume that by the European session market starts forming big green candles. Then there's a high possibility that market will break the re, um, resistance. As we have Independence Day, as volume is less right now, that's why we are considering that in low volatility and low volume market, we may find a selling opportunity. Otherwise, this level would have been invalid. Okay. Anyways, time will tell whether market reverses or not. Okay, but if market goes up with small candles, then obviously we can look for a sell around this area for day trading only. And breakout with big green candles are very less, but market is full of surprises. But still, if we see market is going up with big green candles above 2370, we can look for a buy as well. And personally, I think that before NFP, chances of market breaking 2390 is very less. So as a day trader, definitely I will be going for a sell position around this area. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now. So this is the 15 minutes chart in front of us. You can see that if we switch to lower time frame also, then also the number of trading opportunities are similar only. We have the support around 2350, 2348, then 2342 area, and then 2337, 2336, around this area. So these are the only trading opportunities. So my dear friends, do not lose patience and take position on the middle of the chart. If you are on a position right now, you can be on the trade, but okay, just do not gamble with your hard-earned money and capital. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and be careful. Okay. So NAP, okay, is coming tomorrow. So we may get to see spikes only. Okay. So please follow proper risk management as well. And I have a small announcement that I'm planning to upload some educational videos also, okay, on my YouTube channel. So maybe I'll start uploading from this week or by next week. Okay, weekly 1 or 2 videos. Okay. Anyways, thank you so much. Bye bye.